Good evening, everyone. I will discuss to you the Z-transform and region and convergent text here. First, why is Z-transform? The Z-transform is mathematician commonly used to the analysis and synthesis of discrete to the system. The Z-transform in discrete time system is similar rule and Laplace transform and continuous time system. Bali, ang Z-transform ay isang matematika na commonly ginagamit sa pag-analyze kang synthesis kag sa discrete systems. Next, Z-transform. The Z-transform is the most general concept for the transformation of the discrete time series. Like in example, time domain, transform of frequency domain. Z-transform mostly generally concept sa transform kang discrete time sa oras. Now this is the example or formula. The ft equals to minus dt, and the one-sided Z-transform of a function is xn, xz, net n equals 0, xn equals zn. The diagram of same way of ft continuous time Fourier transform in which variable I t or generalized or Laplace transform. CTFT is generalized to Laplace transform by going from GT or A plus T or LT. In equation 1, if we give our A, G, W a new name C, Z. If we wish to generalize the DTFT into new transform, then E, G, W is replaced by Z. X when this W equals N infinite X N, and this is A and John. Then XZ to infinite N infinite XN and Z minus N. Now the Q of the Z transform is FA equals AA K1, 2, 3 and K greater than 0. Therefore, the solution in equation 2.18 we have ZXK and ZX1 XZ and transform of Z1I equals 1 minus AZ negative 1 and ZFA equals ZE2 equals Z1 and AZ and Z1 and 1 minus AZ. Now its convergence continued. The power of series transform called the Laurent series XZ and XNZ minus 1. The Laurent of Z transform represent the analog function of every point inside a region of coverage, and therefore the Z transform and all its derivatives must be continuous, a function of Z inside the region of converge. In general, the Laurent series will converge in an annular region of Z plane. Now using the theorem, we have Z equals 1 equals parenthesis T minus T parenthesis equals Z1Z and 1 minus T equals Z minus 1 and 1 over 1 minus Z negative 1 equals Z putting 1 and 1 minus Z is negative 1. Z transform given by Z in Z negative in and infinite AZ negative 1 n. Clearly XZ as 0 at Z equals 0 and pole at Z equals A. Now is the Z transform common sequence. This is the example to be make your Z transform easier or easy, so that we learn the formula, keep the sequence and Z transform, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless.